iCloud sign out not available due to restrictions on iPhone and iPad. So this usually happens when trying to log out of iCloud. It means screen time restrictions or MDV, mobile device management, are blocking the action. And here is how to fix it. First of all, open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the screen time option available in there. Once you tap on the screen time, again all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom, and there you'll get to see turn off screen time option available there. So here, as you can see, I do not have that option since I'm not using family sharing iPhone. If you do, then you will get to see turn off screen time available here like this. Now all you have to do is tap on the turn off screen time and enter your screen time passcode, not your iPhone unlock code. It is your screen time passcode. And after that, you should now be able to tap sign out. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.